So today in writing, we will learn how to hold our crayon. Then you will create something as you're holding your crayon this way. Okay, so this is the the Superman hold. Okay, your tall man is at the bottom. He is kind of resting your crayon on him. Your pointer man, this is your pointer man. He's on top and he's kind of guiding him. And then your thumb is on the side, just like this. And then these two fingers, you see these little guys right here? These two fingers are very, very important. They have to kind of hold down the palm of your hand so that it stays sturdy. I like to give them a job. Your job is to hold this. Oh, okay, I understand. And so they hold that little paper for me so I don't forget, hey, this is where my hands need to go. So we're going to talk a little bit about this and how we hold our crayon this way and how awesome writers we can become when we hold our crayon. So we're going to watch this little video and then we're going to draw a picture afterwards holding our crayon this way too. Okay, let's rock it. Are you ready?
Pick up a crayon, pick up a crayon, this is easy to do. Pick up a crayon, pick up a crayon, I just tell my fingers what to do. My thumb is bent, pointer points to the tip. Tall man uses his side. I tuck the last two fingers in and take them for a ride. Now I'm holding it just right, but not too tight. Every finger knows what to do. And now I have a big surprise for you. Let's drop them and do it again. Pick up a crayon, pick up a crayon, this is easy to do. Pick up a crayon, pick up a crayon, I just tell my fingers what to do. My thumb is bent, pointer points to the tip. Tall man uses his side. I tuck the last two fingers in and take them for a ride. Now I'm holding it just right, but not too tight. Every finger knows what to do.
Wow, holding our crayon just like that. Wow, wasn't that awesome? So let's talk about it again. My thumb is bent. My finger points, this one points on top. This tall man, they rest on him. And these two know their job is to hold my palm or they can hold something else too. And not too tight, but just right. So I have enough room to move as I color. I want you to try this. And I want you to create the most beautiful picture you have ever created. Tell me how you're feeling in your picture. You can draw what you're feeling, okay? And then share it with me. All right. I can't wait to see you. Just like this.